Hi, hope you are okay. Today I'm going to share with you how to use data effectively to improve GCSE outcomes. First of all, as a teacher or as a HOD, review data regularly and consistently, spot trends, gaps between groups, classes needing support. Standardize and moderate assessment to ensure consistency across the department, especially now with the new spec. Is about looking at the writing and the speaking and making sure that we're marking and the grades we're giving are in line. Lead data conversations with teachers. For example, I attend RAG meetings regularly for year 11 and I communicate and liaise with other teachers to see what they've done in terms of predictions, grades, and if they have intervened and how. So it's about keeping that conversation going all the time. Plan targeted interventions. Is it like speaking that they need, vocabulary catch up? Is it exam skill sessions, listening, reading? Is it speaking? It's about using the intervention effectively to address the gaps that the students have instead of just running a generic intervention session. Monitor impact, not just data. It's about looking at classes, looking at the books, listening to the students, and see if the teaching is adapting and if the gaps are being closed. And that's it. Hope you find it useful. Hasta la próxima.